To start our pockets, we must first reinforce the pocket opening with non-stretch interfacing. The width of the strip is 1 inch, and the length of the strip should be bigger than the notches at the pocket opening, about ½ inch at each side. Mark your control points for your pocket, which should be about 5 to 6 inches away from each other. Line up your pocket piece with the interfacing strip and the edge and pin. Turn to the wrong side where your interfacing is, and now we will draw our opening. Draw 7/8 of an inch up from our control points and connect these two lines. Sew along this line, making a backstitch at both sides. Draw a line 1/8 of an inch from our seam and cut. Make little diagonal slits at the corners. This will help us to turn out our pockets. Turn the seam allowances to the pocket and do an understitch from one corner of the pocket to the other. You can leave it like this, or do as I will, a top stitch very close along the edge of the pocket opening. Now we will take the second piece of the pocket and align it with the edge and pin it in place. Sew around the edges of our pockets to sew them together. Turn the dress away and follow the curve. Serge the edge, press, and now we will reinforce the edges of the pocket. I will secure the seam at the sides of the opening. We have ½ inch for a side seam allowance.